it ain't so loud. It makes no sense, no way, no how. Hey DJ, could you break that down?
Do you believe in heaven above? Do you believe in love? Do you believe in heaven above? Do you believe in love?
Send me an angel right about now. I can't get up cause I gotta get down. I looked to the left and saw the DJ. I looked to the right, she was looking this way. Everyone on the floor was looking at her. She must have been an angel putting in work. She turned the club into electric church. Dance so hard that my legs get hurt.
Do you believe in heaven above? Do you believe in love?
It's familiar.
Well, so I went ahead and changed out the thermostat to the one I got, and for some reason that one wasn't seem to be working, or I don't know, my mistake. So I put back the original one. We went ahead, put a new gasket in there, the thermostat, redid the fans, the ground right here, and I did notice that the fan switch, turns out our leak was from the fan switch. I went ahead, took it off, put some Teflon tape. So right now we're just going ahead, bleeding off the system. Going to operating temperature. I don't know what all that shit is. And I'm just waiting for the fans to kick in. Oh, one thing though, our heater hose right there needs to be replaced. It was leaking, so I went ahead and I cut it and shortened it. The whole piece right there. So right now I'm just waiting for it to the fans to kick in and see how it goes. There you go, the fan switch is kicking in. There you go, our fan switch is working properly. Fans are kicking in. Pretty much everything's up to temperature. This is running hot, hot, hot. We did install our aluminum radiator, so it seems like we're good.
Send me an angel. Send me an angel.
BTS just Kumit, Nana, Onut, just allow
Oh, yeah,
center.
yeah, small
So
portion.
yeah, Yin, you're from too big